Hello there, my beautiful people, my gardener enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special topic that every gardener should be excited about. We're talking about the top 7 hardy vegetables and herbs, especially the unkillable plants for your garden. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get started. First on our list is mint. Yeah, mint is renowned for its ability to thrive in almost any conditions. In a garden bed, in a flower pot, on your windowsill, mint will grow. Next, you have chives. Chives are resilient and can handle different soils and light conditions. This makes them perfect for a beginner gardener. Kale is also resilient and can handle different soils and light conditions. It's a pretty tough contender, I'm telling you. It can withstand a frost and continue to grow, providing you with the nutritious additions to your meal. Garlic is another one. Garlic is a staple in many cuisines and is relatively low maintenance. It can also tolerate various soil types and provide you those delicious cloves in the end. Radish. Let's talk about radish. As you already know, it has a quick growth cycle. It can also adapt to many soil types. Plus, it's a good addition to your garden if you have limited space. Now, herbs such as sage, rosemary, and thyme, oh yeah, these are on the list too. These are incredibly resilient as well. They can tolerate drought, if you forget to water them, and a variety of conditions, especially if you're a beginner garden. Now that you know at least 7 plants that you're unlikely to kill, I encourage you to go and start your garden. These plants are tough cookies, but you must give them some tender loving care and some water as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your gardening friends. If you know of some other ones, drop them in the comments. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.